All right, for this next item here, we got Ready to Strike, 9 shots by Shogun. We got number of shots, which is 9, of course. Type, cake, of course, we all know that. Got colors, green, white, red, blue, and gold. Effects, we got glitter mine, brocade crown, chrysanthemum, and stars. Nothing on the sound, don't know why, but all I could say is that this cake, based on the videos that I've seen, definitely has a nice pop to it. Duration is 62 seconds on average, so that's kind of long for a 9-shot cake, but I guess with each shot you definitely hear the echo of it or something along those lines, so I guess it definitely it leaves a lasting impression when you hear it. So also these cakes also come with pictures on the side of the effects. I mean, these aren't usually, pictures aren't particularly accurate, but you know, as accurate as you can get, I guess. You got the aqua blue and white strobe bombard, red and white strobe bombard, and deep red and big crackling rain bombard. I'm guessing these are kind of like 3-shot intervals. I guess every 3 shots you see these effects. That'd be my guess. So that's Ready to Strike by Shogun, 9 shots, and you get 2 in a case.
Talking about the when you do the cakes, all that taped.
Oh. Yeah, Ready to Strike. Okay, Ready to Strike, Shogun.